Hello, my name is Hermes and welcome to the video regarding my term paper that I have written on the topic of blockchain federated learning for IoT. This is the outline of the video. I'll be giving a brief introduction on what IoT is. Secondly, I will introduce the concept of federated learning followed by blockchain. Next, I will delve into blockchain federated learning, BCFL for short. Subsequently, I will share more about the existing studies that are proposed for the use of BCFL. And lastly, I will end off this video with my conclusion. With the rise of the internet and devices, IoT has greatly shaped and changed the lives of individuals around the world, improving the qualities of lives of people today through the collection of real-time data and analyzing them using artificial intelligence in the cloud or edge computing on devices. An emerging platform in IoT is federated learning, in which is a decentralized form of machine learning training where models are trained collaboratively across decentralized IoT devices. With federated learning in place, it does aid in securely training models across IoT devices. However, it gives rise to potential challenges such as model synchronization and possible attacks on IoT devices. On the other hand, an up and rising technology blockchain introduces new concepts such as immutable ledger systems, which can potentially address the security issues and privacy concerns inherent in the IoT network. As such, this video seeks to discuss about existing works and initiatives in the area of BCFL. As mentioned earlier, federated learning is a technique that seeks to solve shortcomings faced in traditional machine learning techniques such as data leakage. Federated learning's architecture revolves around using local computation power from IoT devices and locally training the model in the devices. The locally trained model then uploads the relevant parameter to a global model for data aggregation. Federated learning can be further categorized into three different types, mainly horizontal federated learning, vertical federated learning, and federated transfer learning. This categorization is dependent on the type of data and devices involved in the federated learning process. Nonetheless, federated learning systems still possess several challenges such as single point of failure and the potential of sending malicious counterfeit data during training phase. On the other hand, blockchain is a decentralized computing system whereby blocks are chained together with SHA-256 hash, forming an immutable ledger that contains transaction information. With a decentralized network, consensus algorithms such as proof of work and proof of stake allows each node in the blockchain network to have access to data shared among others in the network. The use of consensus algorithms enables smart contracts to be created to achieve a specific contract goal or outcome that is written with code. With what blockchain has to offer, it can be seamlessly integrated with federated learning to eliminate the shortcomings that traditional federated learning face by using the decentralized nature of blockchain with the decentralized nature of devices in the federated learning network. BCFL creates a framework that has better security and transparency of transactions in the federated learning network. Coupled with blockchain's consensus mechanism, smart contracts can be integrated to the federated learning network to address and overcome the problems faced in the traditional federated learning. Existing works in Internet of Health Things, Industrial IoT, Intelligent Vehicles, and Agriculture IoT leverages on the use of BCFL to further enhance their individual domains. In particular, the use of BCFL in the Internet of Health Things seeks to further enhance the security of sensitive data collected from patients' wearable devices through the use of BCFL frameworks. This can further aid the analysis and learning of data collected from the healthcare network without compromising the data security and privacy of patients' data. In conclusion, BCFL does offer a promising potential in IoT and presents novel frameworks that can further enhance the federated learning process amongst IoT in the areas of security, data privacy, while keeping a transparent and immutable ledger of data transmission transactions in the network through the use of blockchain. Thank you.